Most people who are trying to make $10,000 a month are doing it the hard way and they don't even realize it.
I used to be broke as a joke, now I'm having whatever I like. I still been fighting my demons, it's been one hell of a fight. I'm tired as hell, but I swear that I never get tired of trying. I'm cool as a wind, but I still can't let that nigga cross my line. Fuck what you heard, I don't care who you are. Came from the dirt, now I shine like a star. Ask how I'm doing, I'll tell you I'm fine. Look at my eyes, you can tell that I'm lying. Never thought that I would make it this far. I sing my little song as I play a guitar. Was writing this song and I ran out of time.
Most people who are trying to make $10,000 a month are doing it the hard way and they don't even realize it. You've probably tried side hustles, traded time for money, or even started a business, but the money isn't adding up as fast as you'd hope. In this video, I'm gonna break down to you guys the easiest way to make $10,000 a month without working 80 hours a week or taking a huge risk. Let's first identify the problem of why most people struggle to make $10,000 a month. The first one being the job mentality trap. Most people rely on a 9-to-5 job. That was even me at a point in time. But you must understand, even if you were to get paid $25 an hour, you would need to work 400 hours a month before you could actually make $10,000 a month before taxes. When it comes down to a job, raises are slow, promotions are competitive and sometimes even political, and most jobs don't even pay anything near $10,000 a month. The second problem is the side hustle struggle. Freelancing is trading time for money just like a job. You may think, what about e-commerce? E-commerce requires a high startup cost, the need to pay for advertisements, and product sourcing hurdles that takes majority of the people out of the game by getting scammed by manufacturers or finding products that don't have the best quality and you've already purchased it. And last but not least, investing. Investing requires capital and patience, and it's not instant cash flow. The third problem of why most people struggle is the traditional business myth. People think that starting a business is the way. But the truth is 90% of businesses fail within their first 5 years. Also, there's a huge overhead cost. You have to pay for inventory, rent, and payroll. Paying your employees will eat into your profits as well. And most small business owners work more than their employees. And last but not least, the social media misconception. Most people think that they need 1 million followers to make $10,000 online. But understand, followers does not equate to income. It does not equal your bank account. The reality is the average influencer makes pennies per view unless they have the right business model behind them. And that is exactly what I'm here to give you guys, the solution to you being able to earn $10,000 per month. You must first understand leverage over labor. To make money fast, you need leverage, where your efforts multiply without you working more hours. So let's compare. With a job, 1 hour equals 1 paycheck. Traditional businesses, 1 customer equals 1 sale. The business model that I'm gonna show you guys is gonna give you the ability to where 1 effort will equal ongoing passive or residual income. And to do this, you must understand the difference between systems versus solo effort. Wealthy people uses systems. I like to break down systems into an acronym that stands for save yourself stress, time, energy, and money. And what are some of these systems that they actually use? The first one being franchises, where you have the ability to buy into a pre-existing and pre-success built company and run it as your own and make income from something that is already established. Next is automation. Hands-free things being done for you. And last but not least, duplication. Something that can easily be done starting with 1 person to the next person. And to be brutally honest with you guys, broke people try to do everything themselves. I'm sorry to tell you, but if your income stops when you stop working, you don't have a system, you have a trap. And to break free from this trap, you must know that passive and reoccurring income is the goal. Making $10,000 a month is not about working harder. It's about getting paid multiple times for the same effort. And the industry that I am in and that I'm working and helping hundreds of people succeed within allows people to build an income once and get paid over and over and over again. I want to compare this industry to real estate. A landlord gets paid every month from its tenants. At the end of the day, whether you're in the home, outside the home, as long as you are a renter of this place, you have rent, and rent is due every month. And on the other side of you paying the rent every month, somebody is receiving income every single month, and they only had to put you in that apartment one time. But this model allows you to get paid not only every month, but every week without even having to buy a property. So if what I've explained to you thus far makes sense, and you're tired of grinding for money without results, I want to show you the exact way that I and many others are earning $10,000 per month without having a huge following or a ton of money upfront or years of experience. I'll break down everything for you personally, step by step, and all you need to do is scroll to the description box below and click the link that will allow you to fill out a personal application that will give me more information on yourself and your goals, and I will be able to contact you and put you in position to start your own online business earning $10,000 per month. And understand, you might not be the only person in search and struggling to make $10,000 a month. So what I also want you to do is share this video with anyone who may have the same similar goal as yourself to earn $10,000 a month and beyond. And hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any more videos where I'm sharing with you how to create success.
Nowadays all of my enemies wanna be friends.